Hello friends. Today we will talk about method of earning money while we are sleeping. If you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Let's continue. How nice it feels to think that even when we are sleeping, the money is coming. Some people feel that if it happens in reality that even when we are sleeping, money is coming even if we do not go to the job the next day. Then where will the salary be deducted? You will have to expand your mind a bit. You will have to watch the video till the end. I will tell you the ways in which you will earn money while sleeping. But still, even after knowing the method, not every person will work on it. I already know, but still, if you are serious about your future, this video is for you. Now let's start with the first point. See, we all hear about business. Business is such a thing that then you start a business, then you hire people inside you. Those people work for you and you get money, and you will not work then even if you will be getting money. It happens in reality. Even if you see a big shopkeeper, not small. Because the small shopkeeper himself has to sit at the shop. Even if he doesn't go, the goods are being sold from behind him, then the business is a business. There is such a thing that makes you earn money, but not every person can do business. Not every person is made for business. Everyone's temper is different, and everyone's personality is different. But still, if you feel that you have to earn big money, then see it is not possible with a small job. And if the same dreams tell us that we will become the CEO in a big company, many people are applying for this thing. Still, more is your chance if you start your own business. And if by building your business you create a system that makes you earn money continuously. There is nothing better than this. Then now you have to understand that you have to start your own business. Now which business to start, in which field to start? I am giving you a simple question. You have to ask yourself this question. You will answer this question and you will know where you are. You should start a business. See that inside the business we are solving someone's problem. Then the bigger the problem you solve, the bigger the money you will earn. That means, if someone wants a Coca-Cola bottle, from how many places will you find that bottle? But if I say that someone has to get his heart surgery done, then where will he go? You will say that he will go to the best place. Can heart surgery be everywhere? You will say that it cannot be. The problem is in both places. A very small problem, a very big problem. As much the bigger problem you solve, the more money you can earn. Now you can think of anything. Suppose I am giving an example to you that if you discover something that people need very much, it could be anything, but you need to understand the problem. For example, people have the problem of weight loss. Too much that weight has to be lost and it is not happening. And you find a product which benefits people. You can start your business even more than that. Then you have to understand that people's needs. What is the problem, and the bigger the problem, the bigger the scale you solve. You can be built such a big business, and if the business goes on, then the answer will be sleeping. Even then you will be getting money. Second, I am telling you the way that if you invest then you get the return on your investment. When you are getting above your investment, it means you just invested money. And your money is making you money. Now whether you invest in the stock market, whether you have invested in gold, whether you have invested in bonds, whether you have invested in mutual funds, or you have invested in real estate, you get rent from that house, and if the rent is coming, then this one is earning you income while sleeping. So now if you have to trade income while sleeping, starting a business understands one thing. You have to add money for investment. You will have to save money and then you will have to invest a little bit. It would seem tiring, but if you want money while sleeping, then do a little hard work. If you start investing soon, then you can become financially free very soon in life, and that is our purpose. Next, I am talking about online traffic. What does it mean if there is a business at a shop? As many customers who come, as many people can take goods from that shop. And if people do not come to that shop, then how will people buy goods? But there is no internet. Amazing work has been made easy. Now if people do not go to the restaurant, then the food of the restaurant is sold. Why is it sold? Because online Zomato is Swiggy sitting with a traffic source. And if they have traffic, then they can sell a product or service, they can use online sales. If you build this traffic source, you produce such a website, which people visit, produce such an app that people come to it. As an example, you should produce a YouTube channel on which people came. Create a Facebook page on which people came. Then if you have a traffic source you can generate online sales. And I am telling you that if you have generated online sales once you can start making money. It comes to those people who have traffic source and you can ask people how much money those people are earning. Just imagine. I give a big example earlier. I had named Zomato. Now what is to happen to Zomato owner? Is he not earning money while sleeping? He must be sleeping and orders will be coming in the night from people and he must be earning money because of traffic source. For example, I do my thing. You are watching this video on YouTube. Some people may be watching during the day. Some people may be watching at night. Some people may be watching even when I am sleeping. And let's assume that even then the ad is running on this video. So what is going to happen? I am going to make money. It is just a very simple example with a traffic source. So if you build a traffic source, you can earn money while sleeping. Time has to be given for this too. If you give time so you can build a traffic source. You can make your money while you sleep. Finally, in content creation, you must be seeing that as I am currently producing a video. But suppose you write a book on you make an online course, someone previews a movie or sing a song. So whatever content is being produced, it is produced once. But the royalty of the book will continue to come for a lifetime. The movie is such a big deal, but I give you the example from this video. You create content by making a video of the thing you are good at. And if you create content and know how to monetize, you can make money while you sleep. Even when you are sleeping, someone will be buying your book from Amazon or Kindle. If you make a training course and put all your effort into it one time and people get value in it. Even if you are sleeping, you are making money. Now the content creation that is here, not everyone can do it. You must be feeling that every person cannot create content. But I say entrepreneurship business mind, you cannot produce content. But what can you hire those people who people can produce content? I give you an example, a very effective example. Suppose you think that there are many students on the internet and they want to learn. Suppose people want to coach for CBSE studies. Now people pay outside money for this. You have hired faculty and you told people for free teach, make videos. You will see such YouTube channels by definition. I do not know much, but there will be those who give very good education. These facts will give such good education that people will be explaining better on the internet even by paying offline. So if you produce such videos, you do not make yourself but you do teamwork. They make it for you. You can create your whole company. And I am telling you that a big educational company has come up from YouTube channel. If you know someone's name, then below do tell in the comment how did you like this video. Did you understand how you can earn money even while sleeping? If yes, then share this video because many people want to learn how they can earn money while sleeping. Like the video to give your love. Finally, if you are watching it on YouTube, then subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you do not miss a single upcoming video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, go self-made.